Went.
Oh baby, we got our next one that's gonna be 30.
Yeah. Oh, look at that thing. Ooh, I don't know if you saw that under the ice or not, but that's a brute.
Yeah, this is a good one.
Yep. Come on, Johnny, get that head coming up.
We're trying, buddy.
Of course, the gaff is over at the... Wait.
Hey everyone, it's John here from CNS Outdoors. Today we're we're with our good buddy Billy, and we're gonna do something a little different here. We're doing some tip-up fishing, and we are calling this section Fun with Flags. So stick with us, and hopefully we can get a few fish on camera for you here. We're going to give you some tips as to what we like to do, and hopefully that makes your fishing a little bit better. So stick around with us and enjoy the show.
We are going to have fun.
We are going to have fun.
With flags.
With flags. Go ahead and lift it up slow. It's got her. Yep. Lift it up, get your other hand up there. As soon as get her and pull. Give it a good yank. Oh, there you go. There we go. Now we finally got something going here. Ooh, it's a big one. You need the gaff now. You're all knotted up there.
Yeah, I see that.
Fun with flags.
Fun with flags.
Oh, get that head turned, and when she goes, you get momentum, bring her up. Hey, look at that one. Attaboy, Bill.
That's a good one.
That's a good one.
That's a good one.
Here, I'll hold on to it while you get that, while that line. So you always want to make sure when that northern takes it that they're running. If they're stopped, that means they're turning that bait so they can swallow it head first, because the pike will always swallow the bait head first. Nice fish, Bill. There you go. Another one on line here. Just wait till she starts going again. Pop that ice around it.
I did.
Okay. You get both sides?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's loose.
Let it start turning again. And see what happens. Alright, so now it's turning. Go ahead and lift her up slowly. Pull a little bit of line. Set your hand. Give it a good yank. Don't play. There you go. Walleye. Oh, look at that. Bonus. Bonus.
That's a bonus. When you're hunting mallards and that freaking big old pintail comes through.
Yep. Look at that. That's a nice walleye.
Nice Walter. Holy crap.
Good deal.
I'll take that.
Yep.
I'll take that all day.
Looks like we're at 19 and a half roughly. Nice walleye. Bonus. There you go.
One of the things that we do on these is, so they're not swim when they get these bigger ones, is you take and you pinch the tail off, and you won't swim as easy.
Right, you pinch the corners.
Pinch the corners.
Make sure you're talking loud enough
Yep.
here. So,
Then take your hook
yep.
right behind that dorsal fin there.
Yep. You want to get the scales out
Yep,
of the way.
Kind of scrape them out a little bit.
Yep. Make sure there's no hooks or
Yep,
scales
and
on
then
the point.
it'll actually go right through the meat of the fish real easy, and just make sure it's nice and through.
Yep.
Drop it in the hole.
And we took our markums and we found out that it's 7 foot deep. So northerns always feed looking up for the most part.
We only got this down 5 foot.
Yep, we got her down about 5 foot on this. So that way when the northern swims underneath it, it looks up, sees it, and you got them. So this flag took off, started spinning, and then it quit. So I'm waiting for this thing to turn it around and take it. Hopefully it didn't drop it already. No.
Okay.
So I'm gonna check this and see, but I think it, well. Oh.
Nope.
I think it
Swing and a miss.
I think it got it. It took plenty of line out.
Sure did.
It's a good thing to do is you can look in here. You can see it's starting to form ice. When you're doing tip ups, you always want to kind of make sure the ice is cleared, so that way there's no resistance against your pulling up of the spindle or anything like that, because they'll drop it just that quick. So far we got the 3. This one here we got right at dark, so we didn't have enough light to video that, but yeah, a couple nice fish and had a few misses, so having a good day though. So there you can see the size of the big northern. It's over 30 inches there, and the other one we're probably looking at about 27, 28 inches. So in the state of Wisconsin, at least on pools 3 through 9, you're only allowed to have 3 northern pike, with one being over 30 inches. So we've got one pike right now that's probably 31, 32, and then another one that's just under. So we're sitting pretty good. We got at least one more that we can get over 30 inches if we decide to go that route.
You know, that whole idea about if we decide to go that route, I'm guessing the flags and the catch will determine if we go over 30 again.
Yeah, no kidding. I guess I should have clarified that.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have Bill explain to you what we like to do with our tip ups. We go to a lot of places where there's channels and not just great big weed flats. So I'm gonna have Bill explain to you what we're looking at.
So what we do is, you know, this area that we have here, way to the back, is a shallow sand flat of 3 feet. We come out to where it gets to 5 feet deep, and that's where we put the edges, because that's where some of the bigger fish like to transition. But as they get closer to us, the channel gets deeper. It drops down to 7.5 feet. So we kind of do the edge of that first drop, and then we do the next drop as well, to see, you know, because you're going to have those fish cruising in different depths as they're feeding. But it seems like we seem to catch the larger northerns in that shallower 5 foot region, where like the walleye came out of 7.5 feet, but again, dropping down the line only 3 feet below the surface in 5 foot, and then dropping it down 5 foot below the surface in that 7 foot area. And that seems to be very productive for us on how we work an area and how we know the lay of the bottom contour changes. So yeah, it's been really good.
Yeah, and we really like to do that, especially when there's a weather front like today. We have a major front coming through as far as that is concerned. So you'll find out that you'll get, as Bill said, those bigger ones are going to want to be up on the edge of the flat.
Right.
The fish, you know, if the weather gets too much, they'll back off into the channel, and that's where Billy caught his walleye. So again, that was a bonus fish for us back here. And this area is all sand. It's not a muck bottom, it's a sand bottom, and I think that's why, you know, we got the walleye in here. Bill, we were just discussing this, we both caught walleyes back here, but to have a 19.5 inch walleye, bonus.
Yeah.
So,
tasty too.
Tasty too. All right, so Bill's on the run. This one was taking it.
It was spinning.
Yeah, it was spinning as we were coming over. Now just wait, see what happens. Hopefully it didn't drop it, but it's kind of been the theme today that these fish are. There we go. He's got her. So bring her up and give her that yank. Perfect. Get him. There you go. Still got him on?
Yep.
All right. Oh yeah. There we go.
Snot rocket.
Snot rocket, but you know what? Those are our favorites for pickling. Good job, Bill. Hey, good job there, old timer. Here's
those are pickling ones.
Yep.
Those are the best.
Yep. Those are the best for pickling.
Dissolve in that vinegar just like that.
Okay, I want to show you a little something here. We call this the Minnesota rig, because in Minnesota you can't use treble hooks. Now we are in Wisconsin, but if you put a couple of blades on there, spinnerbait blades, and a couple of beads, they consider that a lure. So that makes you good to use a treble hook in Minnesota. So we had this flag go off here, but we haven't seen it spin. We think we got a lively minnow.
Yeah, I think this is just a real lively minnow. I'm gonna lift her up, take a look, make sure we still got something. And I might just pinch his tail. Yeah, there's nothing there.
Yeah, see, this was a smaller shiner, and we didn't pinch that tail, so we're gonna show you what we're talking about one more time.
Take that tail, just pinch it off, and he doesn't swim as well.
Right.
So
he still has some tail, but
yep,
he won't be able to swim off.
he'll still flicker around down there like he's supposed to. But
yeah, because this has gone off twice now, and unfortunately, it's just a lively shiner.
talked about moving this one, and look at that thing spinning. Johnny's gonna grab this one.
Got him.
Got him.
We got shoulders.
We got shoulders. Oh yeah.
We got shoulders.
Good deal. Good deal.
Oh, we got shoulders, baby.
It was spinning like a top, I'll tell you, when I walked up to it.
We got shoulders.
Seriously, I was walking to this flag because we were gonna move it. And as I got within 20 feet of it, it went.
Oh baby, we got our next one that's gonna be 30.
Yeah. Oh, look at that thing. Ooh, I don't know if you saw that under the ice or not, but that's a brute.
Yeah, this is a good one.
Yep. Come on, Johnny, get that head coming up.
We're trying, buddy.
Of course, the gaff is over at the... Wait, this is even bigger. Look at the mouth on that thing. Ho, 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 ho.
Hey, buddy!
There we go. Fun with flags. Alrighty. Look at this. I'm gonna let him pick that thing up. Boy, that thing's bigger than the biggest one I had.
Oh.
Look at that thing. Holy buckets, Johnny. Nice fish. Nice fish.
Right. So here was our final total. We ended up with 4 northerns, a really nice walleye that Bill caught, and 3 perch. All nice perch. So all in all, it was a good day. So we sure had a good day today. Got to tell you, this is a this is a show we've had in the making for about 2 years. This was Bill's brainchild, and I thought it was funny. Fun with flags.
Stealing a little something from, Big Bang Theory here, but I said we should do an ice tip-up video and call it Fun with Flags, and that's exactly what we've been doing this morning.
Yeah, it's been a heck of a time, and as far as that's concerned, we're going to be trying to do a few more of these videos of tip-up fishing, some tip-down fishing, just trying to help you out and show you what we like to do, and
right.
When I get together with this guy over here, it's usually smiles all day. We just laugh at each other. Usually it's because of the stupid things we say and do, but
I tend to entertain myself quite well.
Anyways, what was that you were saying here?
What? Fun with Flags, or
yeah? What was the ending we have to say? You just got done saying that.
I don't even remember. Just remember that today we had a blast with our first episode ever of
Fun with Flags. So thanks so much for watching. if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe, because I sure appreciate it. Actually, we appreciate it,
We
because
appreciate it.
Bill's in a lot of these
I'm in a
videos.
handful. I'm in a
Yeah,
handful.
yeah. So anyways, thanks for watching. Tight lines and shoot straight, everyone.